Hey guys, this is Brian Pendarvis in Anaheim at Pendarvis Manufacturing. Just showing some of our handiwork. A 6-inch dial caliper as a point of reference. These are angle plate here, 572 grade 50, pre-machined, put together. Got some big welds on them. We'll look at these a little more. Then we've machined all these surfaces after welding. We've got 3 of everything. Then there's these blocks here, this U-shaped part coming up. All the bores are for bearings. These parts end up at an amusement park local here. After we get to paint, we're going to send out to paint here end of the day. Anyways, just thought I'd show some of our handiwork. Guys did a kick-butt job on this set of parts. All steel, like I said, A572 grade 50 steel plate machine. That part there was a little tricky, a little vibration in the corner, but Jesus in the back worked his magic and cleaned up those corners real well. So yeah, we're getting ready to send these parts out to paint. Thought I'd share them with you. Anyways, peace out from Anaheim.